When recovering from an injury or medical condition, there is no better place to do so than your own home. Here to tell us what Home Rehab Express can do for you or a loved one is Marcos Porras, the owner of Rehab Express and a physical therapist. Joining him this morning is also Dr. Andrew Belis from the Orthopedic Center of Florida. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
So let's talk about home health care and what is it that your company is able to do? Because I know it's a lot, which is so nice that the fact that this can be done in your own home.
We are a home health agency that basically provides ancillary services such as nursing, occupational therapy, physical therapy in the privacy of your own home.
Again, a lot of different services that, again, is so nice to be done at your own home. I know you work with this doctor here a lot. And talk a little bit about kind of your partnership and what people are able to do at home with his care.
I work with Dr. Belis in several applications of his patients with different issues such as wound care, orthopedics, and I'll let Dr. Belis.
Yeah, talk about some of the common conditions that somebody may need then, home health care.
Sure. As you know, I work at the Orthopedic Center of Florida, which is a multi-specialty group. I'm a podiatrist. I do foot and ankle surgery. We also do basic care as well. Well, anyway, we see a lot of diabetic patients as well as other types of sports injuries, but our diabetic patients are pretty common. A lot of these patients have problems such as neuropathy, which is nerve damage to their feet. It makes weakness occur, it makes them not be able to feel the bottom of their feet, and very frequently they can develop ulcers or problems with their feet. Sometimes they require physical therapy or even home health care nursing to assist with their care because it is a multi-specialty type of a problem that we have to deal with.
Is it a lot of time that's maybe surgery that then goes into the home health care needs, after surgery and caring for it, or how does that work? As far as long-term
Well,
care.
it's both. Frequently we have patients come in with an ulcer and we try to heal that ulcer without surgery. A lot of times it requires daily dressing changes or every other day dressing changes. It may require specialty bandages or specialty dressings.
Okay.
Sometimes we do skin grafts that require more meticulous care. Other times it may require surgery, at which point the patient may need to stay off of their feet. And again, using a home health care service that's where they fit in with a perfect niche.
Well, and we were talking about that. I can't imagine having some kind of injury or something that you're having to do with your feet and then worrying about how you're going to drive yourself or get somebody to drive you there to the, the office. It's got to be nice to have this option and send people there, right?
Yes, exactly. Very often things that we see on the lower extremity require staying off of your feet or not being able to get around.
Yeah.
And they need a set of eyes in their house. And a good nurse, a good physical therapist can be our eyes and ears in that patient's home, providing a much greater level of care.
Yeah. So, Marcos, if anybody is interested in learning more about Home Rehab Express, what would you have them do? I know you have a great website that can answer a lot of questions.
It's just simply homerehabexpress.com.
Easy enough. Well, thank you both so much for being here this morning. We look forward to having you back and, again, learning more about what Home Rehab Express can do for ourselves or loved ones who are dealing with needs at home, which is so nice to be able to be taken care of in your own home. Thank you both so much.
Thank you.
And for more info, all you have to do is head to our website as well, fox4warningblend.com.
Up next, fire up the swamp buggy. We are going for a ride in the grasslands. Why a buggy ride is a must-do when visiting Florida's popular preserves and parks.